Yes, y'all. Back with another one. We are live here on Struggle TV. It is your host, the Struggle Chef, aka Chef Strugley. Yeah, so we back. We got a new episode. We got some grilled swordfish, some shrimp, some veggies. We got the Weber Kettle Grill out. It's New England. It's the East Coast. It's getting warm out. So you know what that means. Barbecue season, baby. So yeah, let's work. Well, all right, y'all. We back at it. Like I said, it's barbecue season. You know, spring is in the air, love is in the air, but most importantly, charcoal smoke. You dig? Yeah, so time to get all your little grills out, your Weber kettles, your offsets, your pellet grills, you know, even your griddles out. You know what I'm saying? Get outside and let's start cooking, man. You know what I'm saying? So right now, we're going to start off with our basic marinade for our shrimp. You know, some garlic-infused olive oil and a couple tablespoons, maybe about 2.5. Because we got about 1.5 pounds of wild caught jumbo shrimp. You dig? The jumbo joint. So I'm going to go about with it. Go in with maybe 1.5 teaspoons of kosher salt, a tablespoon of my own all-purpose seasoning. You know, always throwing in that. Always. So get your, you know, whatever favorite Cajun seasoning you like. I got some Slap Your Mama. I'm going in with about 2 teaspoons. My bad. Yeah, 2 teaspoons. Not tablespoons. Don't go crazy. All right. You're going to squeeze some fresh lemon juice in there. Maybe about a quarter of a lemon. Fresh cracked black pepper. Always. As much as you need. I never really, you know. Sometimes I'll freestyle. Garlic paste. You already know you want the cheap stuff. You want the easy stuff. Do that. You want to pull out some fresh garlic and your zester and do all that. You can do that too. But this is simple. Easy. You dig? If you want to throw in some other stuff, you can do that too. I got my bamboo skewers, you know, bathing. Just getting ready. So make sure that your skewers are damp too. You don't want to be out in the backyard setting your shrimp on fire looking crazy back there. Like I said, these are the jumbo wild caught joints. So, you know, 1 skewer might not be enough. So go ahead. I always do this, you know, depends on how big the shrimp is. I'll use 2, just like this here. You know, it's easy to flip too. I lost plenty of shrimp, you know, doing with just 1, like looking like all sad. But yeah, not with this. You know, got experience. A little bit. So yeah, that's how they look. We got our swordfish. We getting our steaks ready. Think about maybe 2.5, 3 pounds. Getting my scale ready, so you know, so I can make sure I marinate this right. You don't want to over season it. You don't want to under season it either. But I feel like anything on the grill, you know, tastes amazing. I don't care how trash it is. It might be trash, but if it's on the grill, got that grill taste, might be all right. Might work with it. So we got some fresh herbs, some sage, some rosemary, some thyme. Just gonna chop it up finely. Throw it in a little container. Throw in some soy sauce, a couple tablespoons, you know, a few ounces, you know, depending on where you are in the world. Full recipe, strugglecafe.com. You already know. So we're going in there with our garlic paste. Like I said, you know, you want the fresh stuff, throw the fresh stuff in. About a tablespoon. Some W sauce, a couple dips and drips. You know. Lemon juice. Fresh lemon juice. You can throw in some zest too if you want. You know, some lemon zest. Get your zester out, throw that in there. That's not a bad idea. I should have did it. Some garlic-infused olive oil. I was going to throw in some Italian seasoning, but I don't know why. Because at the end of the day, it's rosemary and thyme anyways. I already threw that in there. Oh, Cajun season again, 2 teaspoons. Tablespoon of my own all-purpose seasoning. Smoked paprika. You can throw in regular paprika. It doesn't really matter. Especially if it's going on the grill. Some oregano flakes. Yeah. Some ginger, fresh ginger. Well, fresh ginger paste. Some cumin. I don't really like cumin either that much, you know, but on the grill with some fish, it does taste pretty good. but I usually, whatever they call for, I usually, only put half. Black pepper, gonna mix it up. And make sure you mix it up well, because some of them spices will get stuck to the bottom of that of your container. So yeah, time to get our swordfish out, trim it up, take the skin off, all those red, dark, weird marky spots, we're gonna cut those out too. Uniform up. You make them uniform. We'll trim them up nice. Make sure you cut that skin off too. You see some of y'all people, I know some of y'all out there, oh, I didn't know I had to do that. Yeah, man, you sitting there eating skin. Relax, bro. All right, put that in your Ziploc. Your little Ziploc bag or whatever container, whatever you got. Even if you got a shopping bag, do what you got to do. We all struggling. Now throw that in there and just mix it up well. Set it to the side. I would say maybe 4 hours the most, and that to me that's overkill. 2 hours is straight. Even if you go put it in for the refrigerator for 1 hour, you're all right. It's going on the grill. You marinated it well. It's gonna be okay. So we got our chimney on. We got little Bertha getting ready to heat up. Barbecue season, man. This is like one of my favorite times of the year. Sports is about to be over. Well, what I watch. So it's time to get out there and start cooking. I always, when I heat up my grill, I always, when I light it up the next day or whatever, I always heat it up, make sure I get my cleaner out there. And make sure you get you a good cleaner too. Don't purchase one of those 99-cent joints, because at the end of the day, you're going to eat some of that stuff. And some of that stuff ain't coming out. So you got your grill all cleaned up and heated up. Throw your swordfish right on the heat, direct heat. We're not gonna cook this that long on the direct heat though. I'll show you. Yeah, get that swordfish on the grill, all of it. And with this marinade, like I said, look, it's only been on for maybe a minute, and I could just push it around the grill. I see some of y'all videos or some videos on YouTube where, you're waiting 3 minutes, 5 minutes. You can, with this marinade, you don't have to. You can just flip that as soon as you put it on. It's not sticking to the grill. You'll be all right. So after I cook them for about maybe 2 to 3 minutes on each side, I'm gonna flip it around. I'm gonna flip my grate around, and then I'm gonna have them rest a while, in direct heat. And then I'm gonna put my shrimp on the direct heat. Shrimp and the vegetables, they're not going to take that long. 5 to 7 minutes the most, depending on, how much charcoal you throw in. If you're doing too much charcoal, you might have to move them away. We didn't throw that much charcoal in ours. We probably filled it up less than halfway. So yeah, we got all our shrimp on there. We got our swordfish cooking indirectly. We're good. Gonna spray some Pam on this little portable, those little portable joints you find in the grocery store for your vegetables you can throw on the grill. I got one of those. I don't like losing zucchini and asparagus in the grill. I hate that. We all been there. I ain't the only one. All right, so I'm gonna go in there, throw my asparagus on top of that directly. My shrimp is, almost barely cooked, just about. And just with the swordfish, I'm gonna move it off the heat a little bit, and I'm gonna cook my vegetables. Let everything cook at this bit. Everything's coming to temp. Everything is Gucci. So our shrimp is definitely done. Throwing that on top of my asparagus, hitting it with some fresh lemon juice. Fantastic. You already know. Wow. Everything about to taste good. Everything to me tastes better on the grill. I ain't gonna lie. You could have you could throw anything on there. It could be half seasoned and half marinated. You throw that on the grill, it's probably gonna taste amazing. So yeah, our shrimp is done, asparagus is done, zucchini's just about done. Throw our swordfish back on that direct heat, get some more char on it. Everything is coming together. Yeah. Barbecue season, man. I love it. Yeah, so get your asparagus, get everything in your little, whatever container you have, get it in there. We're going to flip the swordfish just a little bit. I'm just going to let everybody know, just let y'all see. when it starts flaking up just a little bit like that, your swordfish is done. You know what we do at the end of these videos. We smooth it out. Yeah. Everything's coming together. It's dinner time. Simple, easy, nothing crazy. I did it. You can do it. I don't have no, experience like that. I just be out here just in the kitchen and on my back porch, doing what I do. In the backyard, holding it down. So yeah, grilled shrimp, grilled veggies, grilled swordfish. I'm gonna throw some rice on the plate. Wifey taking her pictures. I'm gonna take my pictures. And we're gonna plate up, we're gonna eat, we're gonna watch some basketball. Yeah. You know what it is. Look at that. Come on, man. Look at your boy, man. You want some of that. Somebody out there, at least one of y'all want, like, man, that plate look good. I'm about to grab you some swordfish right now. Yeah, man. Marinade's not hard. You want to throw in whatever kind of spices and seasonings you want to throw in, throw that. But the soy sauce, the olive oil, that mixture alone, your swordfish is not sticking to that grill. So if you got to the end of the video, you already know what it is. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe if you liked the video. If you modified the recipe, if you didn't modify it, let us know. If you liked it, you didn't like it, let us know. Man, that fish was trash, man. All right, it's all good. I'm going to do better. You know what I'm saying? That's what it is, man. So, you know where we at. Peace.